All right, let's look at this problem. I knew when I saw this, I wanted to go over this with everybody. It says revenue from sales of digital content by the New York Times doubled over 6-year period. Oh, look, it doubled over the 6-year period between 2011 and 2017. Source, ta-da. Assuming continuous exponential growth of the digital revenue during this period, what was the exponential growth rate? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. Okay, let's find this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my iPad so that I can write some work for you. Hold on. 8893. Okay. They said continuous exponential growth, right? So what I'm going to do is continuous formula. A equals P E R T. They said that it doubled. It doubled. So what I can do is I can just say P is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2. It just doubled. I just use 1 and 2. So A is 2, P is 1. It doesn't matter if you use 10 and 20, 100 and 200. It doesn't matter because you'll see in just a second. 1 right there. E raised to the rate of, they don't know. We were trying to find the rate here. R times T is what? 6-year period, they say. So 6. So let me rewrite this. 2 equals, if it's 1 times, I don't really have to. I mean, because technically, you see, we're gonna divide both sides by 1 to get rid of that 1, which is just 2. So I can just say 2 equals E raised to the 6R power. Okay, let's solve this. I can take natural log of both sides. Natural log of 2 equals natural log of E raised to the 6R. Let's bring down that 6R to the front. Okay. If I do that, I will get natural log of 2 equals 6R. And what will happen to this? That's just 1, so we don't have to write that again. Let's divide both sides by 6. If I do that, the rate is equal to natural log of 2 divided by 6. So if I go to, I'm going to come out of this screen, okay? If I go to my scientific calculator, I don't think I have a scientific calculator. Let me go and find it online. Desmo's scientific calculator. Natural log of 2 divided by 6. Okay. And this is what we talked about in class. Like, we need to make sure that we close that parenthesis divided by 6. It is 11.55. And how did they want us to round this? Nearest tenth of a percent. So hold on a second. Let me write down that R, and then I will go ahead and write the final answer. This is approximately 0.11552. Hold on. I'll show you what I wrote down. So if they are asking me to find round to nearest tenth of a percent, then I will go ahead and say 11.50 tenth. Hold on. Tenth is just going to be one number after decimal. So I'll go ahead and say 11 point, not 5, because this 5 is 5. I'll go ahead and say 11.6% for my final answer. But it was, we had to set it up. Where is my 6? Why isn't it showing up? Trying again. That was approximately 11.6%. So if you can just type in 11.6, that should be the right answer.